Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Motorola Moto E13. And now I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from this device. So firstly, let's open gallery. As you can see, I have no photos and videos here. So firstly I need to take a photo. So for example, I will take one photo. Great. Now open gallery, and here we have a photo. And now if you, for example, if you will remove your photo, you can open folders and you can see here trash, no? So click on the three dots button on the right top corner and find here trash button. Here you will see all your removed photos and videos. All removed photos and videos will be here during first 30 days, but after this time all files will be temporarily removed from your device. So you have 30 days to recover it. Click on it and click restore. Hello, go back. And great, as you can see, we have this photo here again. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.